All right, I just wanted to do a shorter walkthrough of the Mercado. This place is open 5 p.m. to 1 a.m. Thursday through Sunday. Usually after 6 or so, it starts to get very, very busy. If you think there's just Filipino food, you would be wrong. Like for example, we got some lasagna. Street foods. Big seating area with protection from the elements. I got the ugly dumpling. Lemon Boss. Starting to get a little busy. I got here one night at about 11 p.m. and it was still going. There was some live music going on. If you want grilled food, there's a lot of that here. Seafood, whatever kind of meat you want. If you're a vegetarian, there's stuff for you too. Sisig. Lechon, which is pig, which is really good, but I cannot have much of that. More barbecue. And more barbecue. Some food from our friends in Singapore. Some ribs. Some Vespas on display. If you're into eating mushrooms. Burgers, ribs, alcohol. A stage for bands. Ice cream. Japanese food, or Japanese drinks, I should say. Korean food, a lot of Korean food here. A lot of Koreans come to Cebu for various reasons. Burgers, nachos, sausage. This is the place I ordered from. They have a variety of Asian dishes. I got a Thai basil chicken. More lechon. All right, so that's pretty much a short tour of the Mercado.